Welcome back. We're going to combine the two breaths that we've already learnt, belly and thoracic. With one hand on your belly and one hand on your rib cage, start to put those two together, starting with the belly breath, gradually drawing that air deep into your lungs, and then continuing the breath, opening up your rib cage. Breathing in, belly expands, rib cage expands, rib cage draws back, belly draws back. Keep going. We're going to take a while to get used to this, finding our range, finding our rhythm. Into the belly first, and then continue breathing in into the rib cage. You'll notice that you're breathing more air into your lungs than you were before, with the two breaths separately. And having combined them, increasing the amount of air into our lungs, increasing our oxygen intake, and slowing the breath down. Inhaling into the belly, into the rib cage, and exhaling, rib cage closes first, and then the belly draws back. Keep practicing. Find your rhythm. Enjoy the breath. Experience it. Taking time to notice every little detail. Looking forward to seeing you again next time. Keep practicing. Stay well. Stay happy. And breathing always for a better life. See you soon.